paano nga ba ako nagkaroon ng ganitong statistics in just 5 days? Kung interesado ka paano mapabilis yung pakikipag-engage, panoorin mo ito. 1.6k followers, 2.58k likes, 213k views, and last $5.75 income in just 5 days. Kung interesado ka paano ko ito ginawa, panoorin mo ito step by step.